Greetings and welcome back to my channel. I was tearing apart some trackballs today, trying to get the left. Common problem with these is the left fire button doesn't work. So I'm going to show you a fix. So what you do is you pop these out. There's these little tabs, and then on the top of this little board, you can actually pull off the plastic that holds that down. And what I did was scraped and cleaned all the copper contacts underneath and cleaned underneath the inside of the button. And I used some EGC, a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and I scraped it with a little flathead screwdriver to give it a good cleaning. And then I just reconnected all the connectors, and it works better than the other one. I'm gonna have to go back and I'm gonna do the other one. So, common problem solved. Simple, common household items. So yeah, I've got a couple of them that don't work, and yeah, granted, sometimes some of the chips are gonna go out and you may have to order some, but they're dirt cheap. So there you go. There's 8-bit fixes, trackball fix. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two that don't work all that great. And as you can see, that's all cleaned. And this one here, it not so clean. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this. It's like thin plastic that kind of sits down there. I didn't take it completely off. I left it connected on one side. But basically all it has to do is make a connection. So that's it. Trackball fix. Awesome. I'm gonna get this one put back together and play some Millipede on the Atari 8-bit. Maybe I'll do another video with that. Awesome. Hey, glad to share these tips, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Same bat time, same bat channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope I helped you out somehow today.